Hey, hot shots. Good morning. I'm getting ready for Summit, but I had to take a minute because this special kit offer is too good for us to pass up. So what we've got to do is jump on those states that we're missing. Now, sadly, I had to take some quarters out of our map. We lost New Mexico, we lost Utah, and we lost Massachusetts. But speaking of Massachusetts, what is up with that? We don't have New England. We have nobody in Massachusetts, Vermont, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Maine, Connecticut, Delaware. What? We need some hot shots over there. There are 15 states that we are not in currently. And I will post that in the All-Star region. We are still not in Wyoming. And like I said, we lost New Mexico. So we want to look at that area. And remember, there are 2 U.S. territories that we can recruit in. So who do you know in Puerto Rico? Who do you know in Guam? Let's get them on our team. It's going to be fantastic. So offer all 3 options, whether it's the deluxe business kit, our special $40 kit, which incidentally, you realize that the supersonic tall is $49 all by itself. So they're going to get all of this. They're going to get catalogs. They'll get a welcome letter and an introduction to Confident Start. So whether they're starting just to be a preferred customer, they still have the choice of this $40 kit and place an order and get the $40 first order reward. So my goodness, they can do all of that, have the 25% discount, and enjoy being a part of Tupperware. And if you're watching this and you are a hot shot, your account is just closed, hey, come back. Now is the perfect time to do it. We miss you and we need you because we want to be in all 50 states. So what's in it for you, recruiters? Team, remember our, I should tell you, our goal is to have 10 by Wednesday. So starting today or yesterday, if you had to recruit yesterday, that counts. We're talking about this special offer. So everyone who has a recruit this week will go into a drawing. If you fill in one of our missing states, you'll get 2 chances in the drawing. And what are you going to get? Exclusive silicone forms. How about the donuts? How fun is that? You can make your own donuts. And then we have the ovals that people have been used for chocolate eggs with fillings, all kinds of good stuff. So these 2 exclusive silicone forms will be our award for our drawing for all recruiters this week. So who do you know? And be sure to ask referrals. Go into your VIP groups and say, who do you know who lives in New England? Who do you know that lives in North Dakota and South Dakota? We need you. So let's build our teams. Let's talk to everyone and let them know that this is a fantastic opportunity. Thanks for being a hot shot.